Hello everyone. Today I'm testing the next update of OmniMirror, and I want to invite everyone to participate in open beta test. All links will be in the description. And now I want to show you what I'm trying to do. So some meshes are not perfectly symmetrical, both in terms of shape and in terms of topology. And in my example, there's just a regular ear, and the right ear has a hole and an imperfection here. But I want to symmetrize the mesh considering the shape of these minor imperfections. And here I need to do the same as before. I just need to select edges here, select edges here. So select the central vertices, and here on the topology based section, I need to click create config from topology. And it says that some number of vertices are not assigned, but it is okay. Here on the top, we have information about configuration, and we have information on how these unassigned invalid vertices will be processed. And we can also just review which vertices are detected as unassigned. So, and here I select vertex selection mode. So for these vertices, our algorithm cannot find symmetrical counterparts. So these vertices will not be directly symmetrized, but the algorithm will try to use Laplacian algorithm to move these vertices together with symmetrical vertices. So let me show how it works. I want to move the ear somewhere down to make the mesh asymmetrical. So like so. And as always, I can symmetrize the basis mesh. I can symmetrize from negative side to positive side. Here, basis mesh flow is from negative x to positive x. And I can click symmetrize. And as you see, it looks quite nice. And I will revert changes, and let's check how it looks when I symmetrize from positive side to the negative side. And here you may see that this part is processed. So it is not perfect, it's not smooth. And it is because it cannot solve symmetry for more vertices. And I'm still working, trying to improve this algorithm of detecting symmetrical counterparts from topology. But because I'm still in progress, I have a workaround, so we can additionally guide the detection algorithm. So here we have another option. We can use vertex group instead of selection. And we can, so this center vertex group is the same as we used for selection. It is just central vertices from which we will propagate and find symmetrical counterparts. But there's an additional vertex group which is necessary to show vertices which clearly are symmetrical and don't have any symmetrical counterpart on the other side. So here these asymmetrical elements are marked with this vertex group, and they will be removed out of equation when we will try to solve symmetry. And it helps to make the algorithm to be a bit more stable. So when I create a new config from topology, but I have an additional guide showing unassigned vertices, here the number of total unassigned vertices becomes lower. And if I will try to symmetrize the mesh now from positive side to negative side, you may see that this part is managed much better. Obviously, it takes some time to mark these asymmetrical vertices. But again, I'm still trying to figure out how to make automatic algorithm better. And also, my add-on is not only about symmetrizing base mesh. We can symmetrize shape K. And but now I want to show a vertex group because I think default Blender algorithm doesn't manage vertex group well when we deal with very minor asymmetry. So let me show you. So here I have a vertex group which covers the ear. And so how we usually symmetrize vertex group with regular tools. So I will add a suffix. It is left ear. We duplicate the vertex group. It will be the right ear. And we go here and mirror vertex group. But it doesn't work. And we may try to symmetrize from topology. Again, it doesn't work. And so one vertex group is symmetrized. Oh, it is strange. Algorithm, I don't know why. Original vertex group was symmetrized, but doesn't matter. And so anyway, it symmetrizes the vertex group, but it doesn't fill these gaps, this hole, and we have these weights here, so it is not how it should work. So I will remove the left and we'll rename it to the left again. So, and in my algorithm, we can do it a bit better. So this is marked with suffix, and it's important because in OmniMirror we can distinguish some central vertex group, which like spine, like neck, and we can distinguish some symmetrical paired vertex group like left ear, left hand, right hand, and we process them a bit differently. So here it is a paired vertex group, so it is the left vertex group, and we want to mirror it to the right part. So I will select pair flow to be from left to right and symmetrize single. And right now we have perfectly symmetrical vertex group, and all these imperfections are interpolated, so they are painted quite smooth. And it doesn't even depend on absolute coordinates. So let me show you. I will remove this vertex group again, and even if the mesh is asymmetrical in terms of coordinates, this thing will consider only topology. So there's left group only when I symmetrize, and again it doesn't consider absolute coordinates. So it is asymmetrical, but it paint weights looking at topology, looking at symmetry configuration we created from topology. And also what I miss in default Blender tools is that there's no way to mirror, to symmetrize vertex groups, which are sort of central vertex groups. Like I create a neck vertex group, so I can paint it like so, and there is no tool to symmetrize it. So I cannot find anything. But here in OmniMirror, I can symmetrize such a vertex group. So, and these vertex group are not paired. They're sort of central. And behavior, so how we will process this vertex group, is defined by single flow. So if I want to take weights from the negative parts and copy them to the positive part. I will use single flow from negative x to positive x, and I will symmetrize single, and it is symmetrized. I can switch flow like so, or I can switch flow to average to get something in the middle here. And also I can process all all vertex group at once using symmetrize all, or I can use some batch options to define which vertex group I want to symmetrize and so on. So let me know what you think about the add-on. And again, I will be happy if you participate in beta testing. So thank you for watching. See you next time.